Okay, I was just about to start to make a video for our next button, but I got some fabric today, so we're going to look at it together. One of my kids brought it down. You've got mail. They wrote it on a tissue. All the best love notes are written on tissues. This is some of the fabric for our flag class. So for those of you that have signed up, I am so excited to sew with you guys. And for those that haven't signed up yet, you have until the 15th to get your tickets. The tickets are $25. You get the class admission and the pattern. And then for an extra $75, you can purchase the optional fabric. But this is some of the cute fabric. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay, this is not part of the flags, but they're these cute pink circles and I love them, so I got them anyways. So there's my little splurge bit. Okay, let's do some reds here first. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty that red is. Gorgeous. And our next red is this cutie. I love that one. I really wanted different shades of red and kind of different styles to really give that scrappy look for these. And these are just so perfect. I love this one, but probably because it's covered in flowers. So I may be a little biased. Oh, so cute. So this one is called Paprika, but I think it might be just a little bit too pink. It kind of looks more corally pink than not. What do you guys think? Here's that red floral that I just showed you, and there's that one. It kind of looks pink, so maybe that one will just have to go into my I like it stash. And then there were these bundles. Oh my gosh. Of reds. Okay, look at that pretty red. Love that. Oh, this red is gorgeous. This feels like more of like a vintage red. It's really muted. I actually have this one in my personal stash and I think it's so beautiful and I haven't used it because I love it so much. That one is really cute, kind of retro. And then red plus signs. That is gorgeous. That is all of our reds. Here's some blues. I like this one. This is kind of a grayish blue, but I think it will still go really well, especially with the different varieties that we have. So pretty. And here we even have blue stars. Those are gorgeous. I love that. Here's a really bright and vibrant blue. That's going to be gorgeous, especially with these bolder reds. That is so good. And I've got some low volumes for our white stripes. I thought these tulips would be pretty cute. It's a little bit busy, but the pattern is so small that I think it'll work really well, but it'll just give it like a little bit of texture in there. Do you know what I mean? And last but not least, we have this cute low volume with these blue and kind of grayish blue little flowers in there. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. I am so excited to start cutting into these. Look at this nice organizational pile. Are you so proud of me? I'm so excited to start cutting up these kits. So again, if you haven't signed up, do it while you can. You've got until the 15th. I hope to see you there. Bye, friends.